Now, how to fix Character AI verification error, which is unable to verify your age problem on Character AI. Now here, this is a working method 100%, but I will break this down in step by step. Now here, step 1, perform technical troubleshooting. Now here, click the card like this, press on the application. Now here, click on app info. Go to storage and cache here, click on it, find the storage and cache. And here, what you do now here is to click on clear cache here. As you can see, I've cleared the cache here. You can see the cache is clear 0. And here, the second one, if the problem persists, what is here, switch to desktop. Now here, open your browser here. Open the Character AI on your browser. Here I'm using Chrome. Now here, if you are using smartphone, what you do here is to first change the interface like this by setting it to desktop side here. Now you can see the interface has changed to desktop, which is this method is both for smartphone and desktop. Now here, what to do now here is to click on this straight line icon on top side here. Now here, what you do now is to click on your profile like this on the down section, and then click on settings here. Now here, click on advanced here, and then click on verify. Follow the process again on this desktop. The reason why we use the desktop environment is the desktop environment often have more stable camera integration here. Now click on verify age and try it again here. Also, what might cause this not to verify again in the application is if the application is not up to date. Now update the application if you are using the application here like this. Open your app store if you are using iOS, or open your Play Store if you are using Android here like this. Here I will use Play Store. Now search for Character AI, update it. You can see my own is up to date. What I will do now is to open it. It might cause it not to verify, and then click on verify age again and start the process. Now the second step is optimize your environment for scanning. Make sure you are facing the window or lamp directly. Avoid black light in which you create shadow behind you. If you are scanning for an ID, turn off your camera flash. Place the ID on a dark material surface to prevent reflection on the plastic card. And now before taking a picture, wipe your camera or webcam lens with a clear cotton to remove foam that causes brownness. Now step 3, perfect your positioning. Look straight into the camera as eye level. Remove glass, hat or marks. Ensure no other people are in the background. Now when scanning the ID, as you can see, ensure all 4 corners of the ID are visible within the frame. Don't hold the ID on your hand. Lay it flat on the surface. Now tap on the screen to focus the camera to the focus of the text. Now step 4, check the camera permission. Make sure all the camera permission are enabled. And step 5, contact support. If you are still blocked after multiple attempts, go to the Character AI Help Center. Now here, submit your ticket. Submit a ticket using the category for age verification. Now mention that you are experiencing a biometric scan API failure, so they can reset your verification flow. And this is an important note. Do not attempt to use a fake ID or a VPN to bypass the check, as this often triggers a permanent account ban. So don't use VPN to try this. Now if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. And check out the playlist in order to know everything on Character AI. See you there and have a great day.